Vintage appeal with modern touches. Perfectly placed on over 1 acre in the city of Leesville with frontage on 2 streets. The hardwood floors greet you as you enter this well-thought-out floor plan offering a large living room. The vintage kitchen with modern updates are a joy to the eye. Offering new countertops, new backsplash, new flooring, new lighting and more. The gas stove and French door refrigerator with bottom freezer complete the space but also offers access to the roomy back porch perfect for morning coffee. As you step through the home, the renovated bath radiates with all the spa-like accents that offer relaxation at the end of the day. Wood wainscoting, new flooring, new cabinetry, new mirror and new lighting are just a few of the amenities. The 3 bedrooms are serene and provide lots of natural light. Accented with built-in cabinetry and storage and complete with refinished hardwood floors, this house is calling to make it your new home. The keys to 2105 Jean Street are waiting for you. Roof is 4 years old.